Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the settings. Now we have to scroll all the way down in this left section and go to About Phone. And here in the basic info, we've got the system update, so let's tap on it. Basically, here you can meet two different scenarios. First of all, your device can be up to date. Of course, it will show you relevant information and you're good to go. You do not need to do anything. The second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. And here we've got actually, I would say the third scenario is where your device actually downloaded the update, but now you need to kind of install it now. Once you select install now, your device will be part of and the update will be installed. The conclusion is that you have to enter this section to learn whether you're up to date or not. If you're not up to date, then I highly recommend to simply tap on download or install and download the newest software version. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.